nursing home, I believe, or a small hospital in a rural area, were shown pictures of people with tattoos. And they gave comments about how they thought the women in particular that were wearing the tattoos looked less professional. But this really became an argument about judging a book by its cover. And that was sort of how I tried to attack it, in the sense that they were suggesting that this would have a negative impact on patients' health or patients' well-being if they were forced to look at people who had a tattoo. And that just didn't go over well with the arbitrator.
But do you have a tattoo?
No, I don't. There was a funny moment in the hearing where the hospital lawyer was cross-examining one of the union witnesses, who had said, tattoos are much more prevalent, and in fact, patients who have tattoos feel comfortable when they see me, and they were having an argument about prevalence. And the union witness said, well, look over at the union side of the table. Each and every person sitting there has a tattoo. And then he paused and he said, well, maybe not Mr. Engel. But, so it was a light moment in a hearing. But no, I don't. But I support, people's right to do so. And obviously, it's a bit of an expression issue, an individual liberty issue. But of course, it has to be balanced with, the employer's legitimate business needs. And in this case, the arbitrator found that there was really no evidence called by the employer that this was necessary. And they do have a code of conduct in place, Rick, that covers many dress code issues that involve health and safety, and the union wasn't challenging any of those issues.
The reason why I asked if you had a tattoo, it was only half in jest. It was really because I wondered if you, as a lawyer who has to appear in court and before judges, might think that, for me to have a tattoo might look a little less professional for a lawyer. And that would really strike to the heart of what the Ottawa hospitals say.
Well, but, here's the clear distinction. Hospital workers often are in short sleeves. And in fact, you would know that hospital scrubs are short sleeves. So in that sense, I typically have a long sleeve shirt and a jacket on.
Well, you could always follow the Mike Tyson route and, tattoo your face.
Yes, one could. But we've certainly had lawyers here